The 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, remote engine start, tow hitch, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, AM/FM CD, MP3 radio, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, power door locks. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.